Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, and today I got more mail. And so, I have two packages this time, so that's a first. We got this lovely one, and this. So, I think it's only appropriate of me to just open them. Straight up open them. Like, that's the exciting part. Seeing what's inside. And so I think I'll start with this one since it's on top. And so got the scissors in hand. We're opening. Actually, I can just like, I might not even need the scissors. Probably just straight up. This is recording. Yeah, it's recording. Always gotta make sure it's recording. So let's see what we got. What is this? What could this be? It's a Cheez-It shirt, guys. It's a Snack Attack on it. I'm definitely gonna find me a way on. I'm definitely gonna be wearing this. You know, I need my Cheez-Its. It might be too violent to wear at school though. I'm not entirely too sure. I mean, there is a pitchfork and a torch on it, so I'm not entirely too sure. But thank you to whoever sent me this. Is there a note? Is there anything more? This random shirt out of the blue. Alright. But thank you, person who sent me the shirt. I'll definitely be wearing this. Once again. Snack Attack. Good old Snack Attack. And now we're off to our other package. Alright, I got it open. Now, it's in a green bag. All these great Amazon bags. Oh boy. Got this in here. Gotta remember to look at this. Not entirely sure what this is. But okay. Let's see what we got. After I untie this nice little ribbon. It's another bag. It feels fragile. Gotta be careful with this one. But okay. Let's get this puppy open. Is it a cowbell? Did I just get a cowbell? I got me a cowbell. I think that's what this is called. Oh my. Never had a cowbell in my life. Always kind of wanted one, and now I got one. I was like, not entirely sure how you play this, but order up. I don't even know how to hold it. Well, alright, a cowbell. Better just keep it as like a little like case. I'll save it in here. Okay, it feels like it could break on me if I were to throw it. Which, I won't throw it, of course. Put it over there. Now, it's time for me to go look into this and see what all is happening inside here. And oh boy. It says, "Hi, KasKat. I was thinking you need more of this. From Captain Archibald Haddock." I hope I'm saying that right. I'm probably not. But I'll just say how the name is spelled here. But thank you for the gift. I appreciate the. I believe it's a cowbell. Hold on, I'm looking up what cowbell is real quick. This is a cowbell, right? Give me a cowbell. Yep, it's a cowbell. Knew it. But thank you, Captain Archie. I'll call you Captain Archie. But thank you. I appreciate it. And I also thank the person who gave me the shirt. Because now I got me some Cheez-It merch. Because I'm pretty sure this is a Cheez-It merch. I mean, it looks like a Cheez-It to me. I mean, I got a box right here. I mean, that's a Cheez-It. So, therefore, I believe this is a Cheez-It. But yes, thank you, people who sent me stuff. And if you're interested in ever sending me anything, whatever the reason may be, then the mail address is in the description below. And, well, guys, I think that about sums up this video. But thank you for those who mailed me once again. I don't think I can really thank you enough. I never imagined there'll be a time where I'll actually get fan mail. But thank you, guys. And, well, guys, until next time, goodbye.